Hello children, welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am going to take class 6th and whole numbers chapter number 2, right? Before that I would like to say subscribe my channel, like my channel and share my channel. जितना हो सके उतना शेयर कीजिए ताकि ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चों को इसका फायदा हो सके. यही रीजन है मेरा YouTube चैनल में आने का कि मैं ये चीजें ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चों तक पहुंचा सकूं. ओके, नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट चैप्टर नंबर 2 होल नंबर्स. इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियो मैंने आपको नंबर्स के बारे में बताया था. देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर्स. फर्स्ट इज नेचुरल नंबर, सेकेंड इज होल नंबर, third is integers and fourth is rational number. So natural number, I think many of you remembered also natural number. NATU, natural numbers. So natural numbers also we call it what? Counting numbers. What? Counting numbers means when the number starts with 1 to infinity, right? Now next is whole number. What is whole number? When the number system also includes 0. When this natural number is including 0, then it becomes what? It becomes whole number. Okay, next is integers. Integers, did you remember? Yes, that is positive and negative numbers, including what? 0. Including 0. These are integers. One by one we'll read all these in 6th class only. Integers, I think next to next chapter is there. Integers, okay. So just now we are going to study about whole numbers in detail, okay. So let us start. So what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are the natural numbers. Okay children. So one major difference between whole number and natural number is what? Is what? 0. Okay, 0 is included in whole number. It is not included in natural number. This is the major difference. Now let us come to the next point, that is what? Predecessor and successor. What is predecessor and what is successor? If I am writing any number, suppose I have written what? 5. Okay. Precede, before means what is coming before 5 is 4. So 4 is the predecessor of 5. Right? Predecessor means what is just before this number. That is predecessor of that number. Or you can say -1. Okay. Next is successor. If I am saying, okay, success means we are going forward. We are going forward. So if we are going forward to just one step forward to 10 is what? 11. Means what we have done? +1. Okay. So what is the predecessor? Just one back. And what is successor? One step forward. Right? Okay. Let us see. If I have written what is the predecessor and successor of 99. What is the predecessor? Just one step back is 98. And what is the successor of this? Is just next, that is 100. So I think it's clear to you. Now in this chapter one more important thing is there, that is whole numbers on Right, children? Number line. Number line, you got the point. Number line, what is number line, you know now? This is number line, okay? This is number line for whole number. Number line for whole number, right? In between is 0. Right to 0 is positive and left is what? Negative integers, right? Right to 0 is positive integer and left to 0 is negative integer. Okay, children, then, so I'm writing here, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and here it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now, one important thing is there. Suppose I am asking what is the predecessor, okay, predecessor of minus 3. Can you tell me? What is the predecessor? Predecessor means one back. What is one back to this? One back to this is what? Just before this. Just before this is not minus 2. Minus 2 is forward to it. It is right hand side, na? Right hand side means forward. So back to it is what? Minus 4. So in negative integers, the predecessor is just left to that. Okay. So this is minus 4. Clear? Now minus 99, if I am asking what is the predecessor? What is the predecessor of minus 99? That is minus 100. Is it clear to you? Okay. Now just come to its next part, that is successor. Okay. Successor of minus 101. Successor of minus 101. Can you tell me? Successor means just one step right. Okay. Just one step right. Just one step right to this is 100. That is minus 100. Okay. Minus 100. Okay. Successor of 99 is 99 is 100. Okay. If I told, okay, tell me about minus 99. So it will be what? Just right to it. Right to it means this side. Means this side. 98. Yes, very nice. This is minus 98. So children, I think till here it is clear to you. Okay. So children, let's see the next topic, that is operation of whole numbers on number line, right? Number line. So here I have written this number line, and one example I have written here 3 and 4. You have to add 3 and 4, means 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, right? Do it here, then do in that number line. Now see 1, 2, 3, it will go more. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Firstly, you have to go to 3, means this one, okay? 3 plus what? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, positive means plus sign is there. You have to do add. That means you have to go right. Keep in mind this thing. Whenever you have to add, you have to go on right hand side. Means right hand side of 3 is 1, and how many steps you have to move? 4 steps. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So 3 plus 4 is what? 7. So we reach at 7, that is 3 plus 4 equals to 7, right? Here you can write also this one plus 4. Okay. Now come to subtraction. Subtraction, see. Okay, one more question I just take. One more example of negative sign. Huh? Negative sign. Let us take minus 3 and 4. Okay. minus 3 and 4 means what you have to add? Minus 3 plus 4, that is equal to minus 3 plus 4, that is equal to, tell me, minus plus minus, and 4 minus 3 is what? 1. Okay. So here we are 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. And here also I am writing 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, we have to do in number line. So in the beginning we are at what? We are at minus 3. So minus 3 plus 4. Plus 4 means we have to go to right side. Plus means we have to go to right. Right? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. What is our answer? It is plus 1. No? Plus minus minus, yes. Plus 1 is our answer. See. Clear? Okay. Come to the next. Come to the next. Let us, I'm just drawing 2 here as I have written. So addition I think clear to you. I'm just rubbing it. Now is subtraction. Subtraction of 3 from 5. 3 from 5 means from 5 means 5 you have to write in the beginning. Minus what? 3. That is equal to what? 2. Now it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5. So go on 5. Okay. Minus. Minus means we have to go to left side. Okay. How many steps we have to go? 3 steps. 1, 2 and 3. So where we reach at 2. 2 is the answer. So you can write over here minus 3. Clear? Okay. See one more example. Minus 3 from 2. What I have done? Minus 3 from 2. From 2 means which number will come in the beginning? 2 will come in the beginning. Okay. Then minus, write in bracket, minus 3. 2 from. Minus 3 from 2 means 2 will in the beginning, will be in the beginning, minus. अब क्या लिखेंगे? We'll write what? Minus 3. Okay. Now see here, it is 2, minus into minus, that is plus. Okay. Then is 3. Now what is our answer? Say 2 plus 3 is 5. Our answer is 5. Okay. Now just do on the number line. See. What we have to do? We have to take this one. Okay. 2. 1, 2. We are at 2, right? Now minus. Minus, minus 3. Minus, minus, plus. Okay. So we have no need to do this one. Do this one. Then it is easier to do. Otherwise again you have to go back and come. Let us do it like this. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So in the beginning we are at 2. Minus minus is plus means where we have to move? We have to move to the right. Why? Because here positive sign comes. So 1, 2 and 3. It will be plus 5. Clear? I think it is clear to you. Firstly solve it. Whenever plus minus whatever is there, just in the side you just solve it. Then represent it on the number line. Okay. Now let us take one more operation, that is of multiplication. Okay children. Multiplication. See, multiplication also I am just doing here. This is 0. What I have written? 2 into 3. Just take 2 into 3. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 2 into 3 is what? 6. So 2 into 3 means 2 3 times. Okay. 1, 2 and 3. 2 3 times. 1, 2. This is one time. 2 into 1. This is 2 into 2. This is 2 into 3. Right? So, then come to the next, that is 4 into 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. This is 12. You can do it in two ways. 4 into 3 or 3 into 4. Whatever you can do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So just jump 4. 1. How many steps? 3. 4 and this one. Into 4 into 1. 4 into 2 and 4 into. Is it clear to you? See, 1, 2, 3 and 4 means one time we have taken 4. 4 3 times. 4 3 times, right? This you can do in another way also. Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. If means we can write in reverse form also, means 3 into 4 also we can do. 1, 2, now we will move 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 means 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3 and 3 into 4. So ultimately we get the same answer. This is 12 and this one is 12. Okay. So children, I think operations of number line of whole numbers on number line is clear to you. So I'll do further in the next video. So be with me. In the next video, I'll tell you about the properties of whole number. So I'm just putting these videos part wise. Okay. आपको ये वाला फर्स्ट पार्ट में मिल जाएगा, होल नंबर्स फर्स्ट पार्ट में. देन इन द सेकेंड पार्ट आई विल अपलोड द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ होल नंबर्स. सो कीप इन टच एंड सब्सक्राइब एज वेल एज that press the bell icon so that you can get the updated video and routine video. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.